a jam 3. In the following levels, you'll start by improvising on just 2 strings, like this. Notice that this guy only plays 4 different notes on 2 strings in the shape. See how much you can play with just these positions. Once you feel comfortable with these 2 strings, we'll introduce more strings, which means more musical freedom. Now, improvising is a big step in your musical journey, and it's important that you dare to test and fail with your expressions. Remember that there are no rights or wrongs here, and no one is judging, so just go for it. Try to express yourself freely, make mistakes, test new things, and try to find your own flow.